In this video, we introduce the Desmos graphing calculator, which can be accessed online at desmos.com. It's freely available for all students, and we highly encourage you to dive in and try it. We're going to use it a lot this semester. So in this left-hand panel, we see the function input plane, and to the right, we actually see the graphs that come out. So here we see lots of functions have been plotted, but only 2 of them show up over here. The reason for that is because we have disabled the graphs of these other functions. We can easily toggle them back on so we can see what those functions look like. So here I've listed several functions. I've even put them in a folder. We could add our own function here, something like y equals 3x minus 2, and the graph shows up over to the right. There's even a math input panel here that would help us get things such as exponents. If I wanted to write 2 to the x power, say. So lots of options, maybe some math symbols that might be hard to find. So we're going to get a lot of experience making up our own functions, perhaps not so much on this first day. There are some other options that we should know about. We can zoom in and out with the plus and minus sign here. We can change the view settings. So for example, we could remove all the background items such as the grid axes and the labels. Right now it's in projector mode, which I'm particularly fond of. If we turn it off projector mode, the lines are very thin and hard to see, so I almost always run in projector mode. For the most part, you'll need to dive in and try things. This is one of those programs that are not too terribly difficult to learn, but you absolutely have to try things. There's no other way around it. There are certainly some limitations that you will discover, but all in all, this is a really solid program, the Desmos graphing calculator. So some of these example files I have prepared for you. Others you'll be creating on your own, which will culminate at the later this semester with a big project where you will be drawing something fancy on your own. So enjoy the Desmos graphing calculator.